What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video. Today is Sunday. Today is my day off. I'm going to meet up with a couple of friends, a couple of rig welders. We're going to practice some 80-10, 60-10 today. We have a potential test coming up, so we're just trying to warm up, you know, and get that hand right. As y'all can see, man, it's starting to rain on me. I hope it don't rain on me. We're really trying to get some practice in, and we're not going to have nowhere to really practice at. But I still got something else I want to show y'all. I don't got that red D-Arc no more, man. I went and got a blackface SA200 for the low. Shout out to my boy George. I've been running it for about a week now. Okay, man, I had to hurry up and jump back into my truck, man. It started to rain on me. But like I was saying, yeah, I got this SA200 from my boy George. Shout out to him. He sold it to me. The machine runs great, man. I ran TIG all last week on it. I haven't got a chance to run stick on it, but today I'm gonna run stick on it. I'm gonna meet up with a couple of my friends, rig welders, who want to practice. We have a test coming up. Well, the guy said he's gonna call us, but you know you want to be prepared at all times. He said he's gonna call us in about a week, so we're gonna get down on some 80-10, 60-10 today. I mainly do combo. I'm not gonna lie, 80-10 is not really my strong side, and I'm still trying to perfect it. That's why I really haven't uploaded any 80-10 videos. So I'm still trying to get the hang of it. I could do it, and I know I could pass the test, but I want that cap to look great before I post the video. You know, I want to master it. So yeah, so we're gonna practice today. We're gonna see how it goes. Like I said, I'm in Houston, Texas. If anybody wants to link up and practice, I'm more than happy to help. I know when I was trying to start, I really couldn't find nobody to help me out, you know, and I kind of had to teach myself on the way. But I'm telling you, if you get somebody to help you, you'll get that down fast. 60-10 is one of the easiest things to do. For all the combo welders, if you can do TIG, 60-10 is way easier. All you really need is some proper guidance. So yeah, man, we're about to go meet up over there. We're going to North Houston right now, so I'll see y'all over there. One of the reasons why I like the machine. I'm gonna show you how quiet it is. That's on low idle right there. We're over here practicing, and my homeboy's Mac red phase machine is dead. We think it's his battery. I'm gonna show you how to jump start it from another machine. Put the gears all the way at 0. Make sure that the fine current is at 0 too. Put your ignition on. On the other machine, crank it up. 3rd gear. Make sure that's at 0. Put it at 100. One more thing, make sure this remote, his remote, the red face, is at 0. So come over here. That's his stinger. This is mine. You put a rod in there and you arc off. Make sure you arc off in the back. So as soon as I arc off, his machine will crank. Roof coming out a little wide. I'm gonna tell you why. Whenever your roof come out wide, it's because sometimes you angle the rod like this, or like this. You have to have the rod right between the two bevels, unless you have high-low. You need to keep that angle just like that. So if you have that issue, like he has right here, that might be a problem. I'm about to watch him weld and see what he do. Up. I just made it back to the crib. It's about 1:30, so you know, I'm about to enjoy the rest of my day off. I'm about to go spend it with my wife. But anyway, yeah, so you know, first time running the machine with 6010. It runs great. I like it a lot. For you new guys, SA200 is a great starter machine. For now, like I said, I'm gonna start off with this. I'm gonna paint it, do a few mods to it, you know, make it look real nice. And like I said before, depending on how this oil fill do, you know, I really want to get me a diesel, Lincoln or Miller. I really want a Miller, but I love Lincoln too, so I'll see what I do. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe. I have tons of videos coming out, so I hope y'all able to see that. But I'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching.